Hey guys, hope you have a great day. Just refresh now. If you are not happy, just refresh. So I'm in the car with my grandfather. It's so hot. So maybe I don't know what to do today. Oh, maybe I'm gonna weld the steel. Yep, Isaac. Wah, hot lah. So the car is so hot. I'm sweating. I just cut my hair. Oh, shit. I don't know what to do now. So I break the pipeline. I will put the link below my Isaac channel, King of Heart. We're going to adventure, and suddenly I'm working. I help him to make the camera better. I want more easy, so I step the pipe. What happened? Guys. The pipe break in the water. I out. So my pants is so wet, so I run away. So you can see, I will put in the link. You will laugh until you will die. Guys, so this is how you smoke. You put the can to like this, and you suck it. Oh fuck, it's hot. So I don't know, or maybe I'm going to do, I don't know why. Bye. So guys, we are in the beach. You see some jet ski because the lights so dark. Full plus. You can see jet ski and the beach. Playing sand. My brother. They got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jet ski. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jet ski. I forgot to vlog. We are playing so fun. Come. Come, for fun. This is my father's friend, but we didn't follow because he bring the dog to. I don't know if you guys can see it. He bring his dog. So fun, he bring his dog. We are in Tanjung Aru, the beach. But so I'm cut this video here. If you want more, next time you comment if you want more. Just give. Oh.
Masalah, sorry ya.
They're playing in. Yes, your scoop. Kampung style.
Scoop. See? Pisau lah, boleh tutup orang lah.
They are putting in the jet ski trailer, using trailer, so I'm gonna show you one only. If you want, guys, you want ghost hunting, my house got, so you can do it. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video here. See you in the next place. Later. Haha. Kasih sini jam. Tun 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 tun. 那么？
你弄到我吧？
我真闹啊！
哦，你电话没有弄到哈？
有。
真的去哦。
So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. See you in the next place. In 1 second.